Hey there, welcome to my channel. Shreya this side, and here's a typical room tour vlog. So this is my room. Let me just quickly lock the door. So that's my bed. More pinky. And there's a side table where I keep my daily used stuffs. And there comes my study table. So I have decorated it with fairy lights. You can see there are some pictures of mine, some short notes, and all of the stuffs that I use daily. That's my NCRT. I've been reading it अभी थोड़ी देर पहले. Those are some charts Ellen में मिले थे, and those are some photographs of me and my friends and family. There's a corner where I hung all my masks and Ellen ID card, etc. These are my Ellen modules, some of my NCRTs, and more books, notebooks, etc. There's a small mirror. Are we visible? Yup. And a small corner beside my table. Here I keep my daily shoes or sandals, etc. There's a chair here. Now, so let me just quickly turn on the lights, cause lights off and only fairy lights में ये video बना रही हूँ मैं. So let me just quickly switch on the lights. Going back to my study table. Here, let me show you some stuffs. This is a drawer here. I usually keep my stationery or go-to products here, which I need while going out. Some of pens, and specs, and papers, etc. So moving to the other part of the room, there's a sofa there, and my room is quite spacious, I guess. And here comes the wall. I have decorated it a little bit. Here are some posters, some thoughts, and this. For each and every step of mine, I am freaking responsible. Okay, here's back side of the door. There I hung like mostly used stuffs. There, those are my Ellen clothes or whatever. And here is my wardrobe and the door to my washroom. Some more stuffs over there, upar. And now let me quickly show my wardrobe to you guys. So this is my wardrobe, all messy, I know, but okay, don't judge. And guess what? We've got a little mini fridge here. See? गर्मियों में एटलीस्ट फ्रिज की तो बहुत ज़रूरत होती है, बट अभी मैंने इसे ऑन नहीं कर रखा. सो देयर आर जस्ट सम स्टफ, खाने पीने का. मैगी इज देयर ऑफ कोर्स, एंड हियर आई जस्ट कीप ऑल सम यूटेंसिल्स जो ज़रूरत में आते हैं ऐसे, अदरवाइज नॉट, इसलिए वो यहीं पे पड़े रहते हैं. एंड सम सॉल्ट ऑफ कोर्स. सो या, here comes my washroom. Yep, it's spacious. So we were provided with a geyser and a shower too. Overview of my room. There it goes. My study table, etc. And yeah, here's a bag. I treat it as my laundry bag. And guess what? We have a balcony too. हाँ, but कोई किसी काम की नहीं है. Usually अपने कपड़े सुखाते हैं हम यहाँ पे. And that's not open. Here's the AC. आवाज़ नहीं आ रही होगी. I don't know. So let me close the door. But this is a sharing balcony. Like I share it with my friend, who stays beside me. उसका room मेरे just बगल में. So we both share our balcony. That's it. So hi. And let me quickly tell you about all the price of it. Well, you are curious or not to know about its cost. It costed me 13k, that's 13,000 per month with electricity bill excluded. Yes, electricity bill is excluded. We have to pay our bills monthly or yearly, depends on you. And about that mattress and the pillow, that's provided by the hostel, and even they provide you with a bed sheet, but I personally don't like their bed sheet, so I have got mine. And all the buckets and jug etc., these all stuffs are provided by the hostel, so no need to worry. If you are coming here for admission, just don't worry. You need not have to bring your pillow, mattress etc. here. You just come here with your daily essential, and most important your blanket, because AC भी है and कभी कभी ठंड लगती है. You never know. AC चलाने पर ही, वरना यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. ट्रस्ट में बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. So yeah. And bucket etc. वो सारी चीज़ें वो हॉस्टल वाले प्रोवाइड करते हैं. And there is a mini fridge which I don't use very often. I use only when आइस की ज़रूरत होती है, because वाटर कूलर से तो ठंडा पानी आता ही है. So there is no need of using a fridge very often, but I do use. And all this chair, study table etc. is also provided by the hostel. So you do not need to worry about your laundry, because laundry वाले भैया आते हैं every Thursday and Monday here in my hostel, and my hostel is very close to Allen Samyak, so I don't need to go anywhere else. Samyak भी बहुत पास में, market भी काफ़ी पास में. So for all daily stuffs ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता लेके जाके आने में. And that's it. Still कोचिंग के पास है, मार्केट के भी पास है, एंड लॉन्ड्री भी नहीं करनी पड़ती. लाइक यू डू नॉट नीड टू वॉश योर ओन क्लॉथ्स. भैया ही वॉश एंड आयरन, ये सारी चीज़ें वो करके आपको खुद दे देंगे, लाइक ऑन वीकली बेसिस. सो नीड नॉट टू वरी अबाउट हॉस्टल. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस देर आर मेनी more cheaper hostels also, but I personally liked my hostel's facilities. So yeah, that was about my room. You have seen every corner of my room now. So yeah, bye bye, see you.